So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art. Whatever, he's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you," hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hairstyle. And I'm gonna just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm gonna send it to him. I'm gonna be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol. So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my
Perfect
series.
song.
You can check out the series, Orbem.
Title,
Book 1,
My
Miropelia Book 2,
Sequel.
and I'm working on Book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of
'Cause
hard
it feels like
science,
I
a lot
haven't
of
been
explanation, scientific
streaming
stuff,
in a
lot of
long
programming
time.
stuff. But then it's in a fantasy
This is
universe,
my
so
sequel.
you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a base. Hello. What up, Indy? Subscribe for 3 months. That's what's up. Oof. So my old mic clamp has just not been working. It never worked really well for my desk because it was too shallow, and the lip of my desk, it requires, there's some like routing work on the edge, so it's all like rounded. You are people. And so I 3D printed a new like clamp that it takes the arm of my mic and you can put it inside of it. And yeah, pretty good. V1 is okay, but I snapped it because I put in some threaded holes to match the ones that are already in there, and the main clamp thread was a little too small. Thermal expansion got to it, so definitely if I print it again, I'll need to make that hole smaller, or I need to at least not force the screw clamp through it. I need to like heat it up, and like this little knob won't even fit in any of the holes anymore. Swipe to type. That's cool. That's a thing. Well, hey, as you might have noticed, let's see if we can get stream avatars running. Oh, there we go. I gotta switch yours from Santa Claus. We got a new logo, and there's a reason for the new logo. I went through and I made a few changes, added some new designs. That's why I was talking about in the channel. Yeah. So the new logo on the merch and everything, that's going to be the new brand. So I have a a DBA. It's called Doing Business As, being registered in Michigan. So it's going to be the company name, which is going to be Orbem Order. So all my brand and stuff will actually be the name of the company. It will be trademarked as well. Hell yeah, man. New GPU. No help. I don't even know what that entails. Some screws. But yeah. So the new merch is just going hand in hand with the new brand. I wanted to make some new stuff. 30 minutes. Not too bad. But yeah, the reason for the trademark and the new business, registering the business name is for my new products. I have my, these are kind of like the finished prototypes that I'm using for the product photos. So we have our outlet plate shelves. I did them in white so that I could just Photoshop them in different colors. There's that. And then here's the other one that I finished. This is the laptop airflow optimizer that coincidentally looks like the share logo or the share icon, which I know the creators and the owners of that icon, so they shouldn't be too mad. It's just good design for a laptop stand, which I'm still using on mine right now. But yeah, I can show, I got some examples. First off, I don't think you could create fake Orbems. Orbem is that company name, so they have most of the company stuff already. But Orbem Order, I pretty much have everything, I think. I mean, I got the Blue Sky account too already, even though I don't use it. Here we go. So here are the new product photos. I wish you could like slideshow through them. Oh, I guess you could do it like this. No, that's not what I meant to do. How do I look at the folder? Where's the products? Product photos. Too much on my desktop. Is this it? House images. And these are just the like actual product photos. They're not the like the in-use lifestyle photos that I'm gonna take. Here we go. Okay. So yeah, here we go. So yeah, these are, we have it in blue. Here's on the background. We have gray on the background, off the background. Here's green. So it'll come in different colors. I'm only doing the actual airflow optimizer in these like bright colors because it just goes onto your laptop anyways, so it doesn't really matter. And here's the original white. You can buy, not yet. I already have my Amazon account, my seller account, and I have the business on there, but I need to register. This is the problem. You can pre-order if you want. Just tell me, I'll let you pre-order. But no, they're not like live where you can buy them yet. But so I'll tell you a little bit about how Amazon works for a store. You really need a business, like a registered brand. Not necessarily a business. You don't need a registered business to sell things on there. But you also don't necessarily need a registered brand, but then you have to post all your junk as generic. Like you don't get to use a brand name, it just says generic. So in my case, I went to go register a trademark for Orbem Order so that I could register it as a brand on Amazon. And then what ended up happening is when I went to register the trademark, they were like, "Oh, you need to have a registered business for that to get the trademark." You can register the trademark under either your name, like as a person, or under a business name. And they said if you do get it for your name, you're gonna have to transfer it to the business when you later have a business. So I'm like, fuck it, I'll just get the business name. And so getting the DBA, which is a lot easier than an LLC. A DBA is doing business as. So in the future, if you ever decide like, hey, I'm gonna take my hacking business or my app creation business, I want to do something a little bit more legit, like I'm gonna do Indie Pawn Industries, instead of doing an LLC, because it's just going to be you, which an LLC has a lot more paperwork, a lot more tax stuff. You can do a DBA, doing business as, which is literally creating a business entity based off of you. So like Orbem Order is my, AKA, it's my alias. So Orbem Order, but it gets its own tax ID, just like a business, and you can use it for anything. So anytime you're doing something, you can use that. But it's all through you. So like it's still your taxes, and it's still normal, less paperwork, a lot easier to manage, but you don't get all the protections of an LLC, but I didn't really plan on needing that anyways. And here's a first example of, actually here, I'll just throw this out here. So we have this right here. Here's the first outlet plate in black. I have it in white, and I have it in ivory. A lot of walls are like ivory. You're gonna need my paper towels. Scott Paper Towels, coming to a store near you. Yeah, so anyways, that's the update and why I've been doing all this random shit for like logos and whatnot. And eventually my merch will be under the same brand. It's already under the brand name Orbem Order. Scott Paper Towels. Yeah, I'm sure they will. I don't know. That's the only place they'll be. So let's refresh. But yeah, in the meantime, we have 2-ply. I think most paper towels are 2-ply. Otherwise it'd be kind of a waste. So yeah, it feels good to be back and streaming. I've been doing a lot of work on my end, just for work and for a lot of 3D printing stuff. I have, I pretty much have all 4 products now, completely processed and ready for photos. 18-ply. It's just like a cotton ball or, cotton pad. It's just thick. I like my TP thick. Yeah, no. But we did leave off the game development in a cool space. We're working on the explainer logic. This is basically when you're going through the game and you need to like point something out. You're like, hey, look, there's a sign over here. You should read it. And that's like the first time you learn how to use a sign. Or hey, like you should talk to this person. You can interact by clicking blah. So, and I decided that I want to do 2 different types of menus or explainers. One will be the menu side, one will be the internal game menus or explainers. So like menu, I mean here, like it'll point to this and be like, hey, you just collected your first item. So go here, click click the items menu and then now select what you want and you can blah blah blah. Or hey, here, look, someone's talking to you. You can turn up and down the volume if you want. First time you get hurt, hey, here's your health bar. First time you use transportation, hey, this shows you're charging. Hey, time to oil up. Hey, where's your baby oil? Yeah, exactly. More or less, that's what the explainers are for the menu side. And those need to live outside of the map, so I need to actually define which is which. I can't just have it be like a category or something. But that being said, I don't think... I mean, maybe the first time you make an indicator go up, hey, this guy has a fucking indicator symbol above his head. You must be able to talk to him. Which is true. Whoop. Hello, Mr. Salveson. Hey, Mr. Salveson. Hey, Craig! He's always yelling at him. And then he runs away like a little bitch. So much dog hair on my mic. I mess with my mic positioning because I was dropping this. That's the whole reason I printed a new mic bracket, because it kept falling off. I just kept seeing it on the floor. I'm like, that can't be good for the mic. Smelly, sleepy, curly comment, bra, please. What is this clip? First time you get hurt, hey, here's your health bar. First time you use transportation, hey, this shows you're charging. Hey, time to oil up. Hey, where's your baby oil? First time you get hurt, hey, here's your health bar. Diddy order. That's good. Anyways, what was he doing? Yeah, working on the game. Got the new logo. Got all these processed products, which definitely need to clean up better. Luckily, I was a high volume photo retoucher for 6 years. What up, Dag Dude? Woo! What up? Ba-doop, ba-doop. You walked into a clip, a baby oil clip. Yeah, like I said, I was a high volume photo retoucher for 6 years in a photo studio. All we did was e-commerce product photos, so I am a little bit, you know, a little bit advanced in doing very clean product photos. So no matter how bad the prints came out, I can handle it. I am not turning into Diddy. I can't even fathom the amount of money it would take to become Diddy. It would take so much money. First off, to have all the celebrities come over to my house, you just need a bunch of money to entice them with, you know, your house and what's in it. Second off, the amount of money it takes to spend on that much baby oil is just beyond my tax bracket. Say did he and diddy out loud back to back. Did he diddy, did he diddy, did he diddy. Not bad. I like it. And I think since the last time I streamed, Miropelia audiobook launched too. That deserves some fireworks. If it worked. Ever. It never works anymore. Nope. Still won't work. How come my two thumbs aren't thumbs? My camera doesn't see them as thumbs. Why not? Fuck you. Not you, Indy. Hey! That's true. This is the last Scotch tasting in 2024. Can you believe it? My thumbs are fake. I don't have real thumbs. You know what that means? Of course you do. Scotch time! Ooh! Uh-oh, we're almost out of the sword. I have another bottle, but let's see if we can get a good noise. Oh, yeah. Just enough. And we will refill for 2025. Yeah, scotch time. Scotch time. What? Whoop. Whoop. What fantasy should I get? Can't get Orbem or Miropelia because it's Nook, not Kindle. What? You don't have a Kindle? How dare you? I don't have thumbs. You know what that means. So this is going to be refilling the sword in 2025. This is the 10-year Lafroig. I can't remember. It might have been was already in there, to be honest. I don't remember. But it'll be good. On with the scotch tasting. I think we'll be able to tell by taste. Let's see. I'm definitely getting ocean breeze. I'm getting clear crystal water. Spring-fed water. Ice cold. Some peat. Good peat smoke. And cherries, caramel, caramel, and little fruity pebbles. There's that peat. Oh, it's spicy. Got a little peppery. Good peat smoke. You definitely have the caramel in there. It's very similar to actually the smell this time. Very good, very good. Yeah. Delicious. Hey everybody on YouTube Shorts live feed. Thanks for jumping in and out. Feel free to say hi. Feel free to jump over on Twitch. We're having a lot of fun here. Except for my stream avatars are not floating around. Let's get that fixed. Who do we have lurking in Twitch today? It says 4. I'm only seeing 3. You're a goddamn liar, Twitch. A-doop-doop-doop. Working on a new stream avatar? Oh, sweet. Yeah, let me know. I'll update it. One of these days, I'm going to take another shot at the Orbem chatter plugin. So you can update your own avatars whenever you want. Alright, so I think we can continue our explainer shit. We'll just take it one thing at a time. So actually, I want to restart the game again. And I want to just take it one explainer at a time, and then I'll add features as I usually do. So in this case, we're walking, we're walking, and we're walking. The first thing you see is right here. So we do have the position mechanics. We do have the Orbem area. So we'll add this. Right now we're at Foresight. That is level 1. And we want to just add a trigger. Now I'm going to definitely have to figure out how I want to do, you know, it's going to be like arrows, pointing with like a text bubble. Is it going to be a text bubble with the positioning being generated based off of something? I don't know. You're hungry? Sorry. My bad. I did not mean to make you hungry. It's never my intention. What? What are these weird URLs? Bashful Cooperative Snake Bud Blast. What? One of these days I'm going to take another shot. Stupid. I'll never take a shot. You out of your mind? Oh, got it. Yeah, the tasting. You know, what really sucks is I do like me some sugary cereals. You know, I don't like that. You know, my girl's eating them all the time, but we always have some in the house just for like once or twice a week for fun. And they don't like Fruity Pebbles. I got them, and my oldest she doesn't like them, and I'm just like, what the fuck? So I never can have them. We have Fruit Loops, like the big chunky versions of Fruity Pebbles, but yeah, no. I mean, they like them. So we have Fruit Loops, and they're big on Captain Crunch, which is like, sure. And obviously they like, you know, Lucky Charms. I mean, anything with marshmallows in it, it's fine. But there's so many, you know, honeycombs and Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Tricks, and there's so many types out there, and it's just like they're not big on all the types, so boring. You're gonna be a serial killer. My bad, Dak dude. No more cereal for you. Now I always grab some like Rice Krispies at the end of the night. I throw bananas in them. Chop up a banana, throw it in there. That's always a good snack. But I also my grocery store has these like prepackaged granola pouches, and they have all different types in there, like with raisins or cranberries and coconut or whatever. And I throw some cinnamon, ginger, honey, and then some milk in there, and that is the ultimate. It's good for your belly too, especially all that cinnamon and ginger. But let's get the coordinates for the trigger, and then we can deal with the HTML after that's set up. We have, so I want it to happen basically when the sign comes into view, like boom, I want you to hit it. So let's do it like right here. 2391. Two, 391. 3544. Okay. And then we need the trigger to be roughly, I don't know, just like 400 wide. Oh, we'll do 40 height, 400 wide. I mean, honestly, we need this all the way to the left, so more like 300. There we go. You love remove.bg. What was that?
Is that a website, or are you talking about removing the background? It's a website that removes backgrounds from images. Nice. Well, I mean, Photoshop pretty much has that already built in. So like if I go down to here, you see how it has a little, oh, you do not. You see how it has a little button right here? It says remove background. So like they have built-in auto background removers now in Photoshop, which they didn't used to have. It's pretty good. You see, that's actually really good. Oh no, it's not. It basically just removed everything, but I have this on top. Well, there you go. It removed everything but the outlets. Oh, come on. Photoshop's not that expensive. At least I hope. I don't know. I try not to pay attention to that because I'll get sad. But yeah. Or you can select the subject, which it does not understand that this is not supposed to all be white, but whatever. That's cool though. What is it? Remove.bg. Let's check it out. Ooh. Let's try it. Let's try one of these photos I just did. Almost. Needs to get rid of that shadow. It's pretty good though, for being white on white. Can you? Oh, here we go. So you can erase extra stuff like that. Erase it. Oh, that's a magic brush. Does this not cost money? It's just free? Like forever? Or is it making me pay at some point? I broke it. The API costs money. Interesting. Why did I break this? I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Apps, plugins. Ooh, you can integrate it with your favorite tools and platforms. Oh, cool. I don't know. That might be kind of cool. Okay, I broke it. Uh-oh. Computer's dying. I do not know why. Alright, it's back. I'm gonna close some programs anyways. Earring. So we have that, cool. So that's the trigger. Now what's going to show up is going to be the text. So reading signs. Hey, there's a sign over there. I should go read it. And I'll be like, click space bar when touching signs to read them. Do something like this. And we'll do it like this. And there you go. I think I broke remove.bg. Yeah. Pretty sure my ask was just too much. Alright. Now that we have the basics. What? Dak dude. So let's go in here. Let's get out of here because I don't need you anymore. Actually, let's close all these tabs and start fresh. Refactoring preview. Cancel. I don't know what you're doing. Stop. No. Yes. There we go. And we're gonna have to go into let's go into the Explore. And I think this is gonna be part of the Get Explore missions. I don't know, maybe I should just make my own file just for explainers. Might not be a bad idea. Might not be a bad idea. You did it wrong. You're supposed to say, guess what sand, what and, what? What the hell? So let's make a new function. Do I need to do it like I do here, or can I just... whatever. So this is get explainer HTML. And this is explore explainers. And this is going to be map explainers. Alright. Because I'm going to have map explainers and I'm going to have menu explainers. Two different explainers. Sure. Give me that LLM. Oh damn. Detroit beat the 49ers. Thank you. And then we're gonna do another one. What? I'm gonna put this outside of the default map. In fact, let's put it... I don't know. Should we keep it in the container? I think we should. Yeah, with all the menus. And yeah, we can do this only if you're logged in. That works. And I'll go right here. Div ID. Menu. Explainers. No, I don't want to do that because then that means it's going to be there all the time. I'll just do this. I only want the explainers to show up if it has to do with the right area. So in that case, yeah, we'll do it like this based off of... Oh, look, I can do this, the same junk I've been doing. Explore explainers. So, explore explainer is... Did I do it with an S? Am I an idiot? No, I don't. I'm smart. Then maybe... What? She makes the best D's nuts. I do love me some cinnamon sugar roasted almonds. They used to sell them at a stand in the LA Zoo. And you just like walk by and you have to get them because they smell so good. Especially on like a colder day, which is rare. Ugh. Complimenting insult. Go. So in this case, I can't just have them be separate. So I'm gonna have to change my function. So it'll just be this, and this will be map. Wait, where did I put that other function? Oh, I put it in here. Got it. Oh, so this isn't map. This is menu. And then this one's map. Map. Alright, now I actually need to make this function, so let's do that. Your makeup is so pretty, you can barely tell you're an ancient hag. Nice. 2 days and the keyboard sounds good and the mouse is wireless and lightweight. Nice. Did you know that when you eat a computer, you die? Yeah, I like my mice heavy. I feel like really like substantial, you know? It makes it like easier to make fine detail movements. I don't use a mouse, but when I used to, yeah, I like them nice and heavy. But I was doing a lot of detail work, so it makes sense. And my hands are heavy, so I don't need a mouse. I got heavy hands. Let's get... We'll use the minigame one. It's probably the closest. Actually, is there a get signs HTML? I don't think so. Is what I say to you. Get explainer. Explainer. Nailed it. Explore explainers and type. Explainers, param, tape. For explainers. Coolio. Fortnite certified professional, so I use lightweight mouse. You're a Fortnite certified professional? Does that mean you get paid? Is that where you're showing me? You're showing me you're getting money? Was that for Fortnite? Or was that you or was that Dak dude? I forget. Oh, let me take a little look at that. Certified professional. I thought you sucked. Didn't you say you sucked? How'd you become a professional? Let me see here. Where are you? Oh, Pizza Hut lover. I keep forgetting. Compared to T1 Pros. You spent... Oh no, that was your bill. Wait, where was that money one? Oh god, I didn't realize you sent so many of that one photo. Here we go. FTC v Epic Games has sent you 67... Wait, what is that? The remote... No, that was a settlement, wasn't it? But, oh, that wasn't you getting paid for being a pro. That was you just getting paid for a settlement, though, right? I thought that was like money you made for playing. Got it, okay. What, do you have to be a T1 Pro to get paid? I don't know how Fortnite certification works. Like, do you only get money if you're in a tournament? I don't know the Fortnite game. Payment game. I know the game. Yeah, you need to be really good at the game since there's so many pros. Yeah, I imagine. There's a lot of them out there. Okay, let's just get rid of all this because I'm guessing I'm going to start from scratch. From the scratch. Alright. Very good, very good. Oh yes, yes, very good. I thought 2. meant something. I know this is party town. So for the HTML, the explainer signs, we're gonna need. That's true. It knows about my real fingers. Doesn't know about my fake ones. It ignores those. So it's gonna be yeah, kind of like explainer. No. So what I want to do. Wait, but I need. Yeah, okay. So first off, if this is empty, then fuck off. So if true equals empty, then return jack shit, as they say. Is it 12? Oh, look at that. It's New Year's Eve. 10, 9. Oh, it's 12:01. I missed it. So I got some fireworks for New Year's, and it's like a big pillar firework that it says it counts down from 5. So if you're like facing it, it counts down somehow. It doesn't have like a picture of how it works, and I didn't look it up. So yeah, Michigan, they're legal. We have a hell of a fun time on 4th of July and stuff. You can just buy as many of those fountains and fucking mortars and all that kind of stuff as you want. You can get these big ass tubs that do like 30 mortars, and it's pretty awesome. I think I posted a video last year, not like 2024's 4th of July. I think 2023 I posted a video about it. Mortars. Orbem mortars. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come up with my own branded firework mortar. It's gonna be a giant O and then like a dragon or something. Speaking of dragons, I am almost done with chapter 2. I've been going so slow. I only have 56. I have 5,500 words, basically, out of 97,000. Bathtubs or reverse boats? Yeah, more or less, depending on the one you have. I don't deny that to be true. Okay. So I think the only thing I'm going to do... Okay, well, I have to check, first of all. So in here, we need to do explainer type equals explainer ID get post meta. Oh, I never added the meta box yet. Shit. Explainer ID. Do I already have something I could use, actually? What do we have here? We have... No, they're all number values. I could add a taxonomy, but that's annoying. I'll just add it. A radio. To the meta box. I think we already have a good list here. What do we have? Explainer. Oh no, we haven't added it yet. Explore. Oops. Explore. Explainer. And we'll do... explore... type, I guess. We'll do explainer type. Five miles long. Oh yeah, and then I have to add the values, which are going to be menu and map. There we go. That should work out of the box. Let's take a look. Oh no, shit. I think it's gonna make it into a number. Now I need to be able to specify radio, because this will just add an array. How do I do that? Why don't we do this? We'll add type. We'll default the type to number. But if it has the word radio in it, because I'm lazy. Oh no, I can do this. We can do menu, radio. Do something like this. Yeah, for type. And then we'll even fix these. Number. 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 Sick. You specify that radio, boy. Redick. Where is it? Okay, so if we go up here, which I did get, I had these working, so this better work. So I have a whole buttload of logic here now that like does a bunch of shit. Get post meta, blah 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 blah. And now instead of it just getting a string, it's getting an array key value. Meaning I can't. Okay, it's just getting the array keys now, which are still the names, but I need to specify the values too. Okay. So that doesn't do anything. That's not possible. So I'm trying to add it to this normal array, so we can add to this meta box. Okay, actually that's fine. That's just for getting the values. Oh, that's right. I don't need to specify that type. I'm so dumb. I'm just doing it. I create it myself. So it doesn't matter. What did I do? Oh. Ray tracing. That should be good. Okay, so now let's go to the meta box template. And then we're going to add this to, do I already have an explainer section? I don't think I do. Nosferatu. Let's see if we already have type. We do. We have crewmate. Yes or no? Type. Oh yeah, duh. These are all the types. Let's see. Trigger type. Interaction type. Okay, cool. So let's do this specifically for Explore Explainer. And this is going to be values. Explore Explainer. What? And the idea is going to be explainer type. Type. Explainer type. And the type is going to be radio. And the value is going to be, oh yeah. Alright, can't do it like that. Value is going to be menu and map. We'll do it alphabetically. Checked is oh. Checked is map equals det equals det. All right. That should work. Spirit of radio cover done? Yeah, I already showed it to you. That's as done as it's gonna get. I refuse to go any further. Sounded pretty good. Still refuse. Okay, where's radio? Display true. Oh, that's why I don't have to put echo. That's fine. No. You know how much time I spent recording and editing that? The work has been done. You have been presented the work. I just didn't want to post it on YouTube. Now, if I completely just bailed on it and didn't do it at all, I would definitely give you some sort of compensation. Is this doubling for no reason? I think it might be. Well, that's dumb. Uh-oh. What do we got? You want to make it your ringtone? I can give you a snippet of it if you want it as your ringtone. I'll export the part that I finished, you know, timing wise if you want. Sorry, something from work just popped up on my phone. A little late,
An assassin is knocking at my door and I'm scared. So I climbed out the window to try and find something to defend myself with. Luckily, there was an assassin outside my door with an Egyptian kopek. He gave it to me and I tried to get back inside so I could defend myself, which is when I discovered that the door was locked. But that's okay because I left a spare code under my welcome mat. So after climbing through the window to grab the code, I climbed back out so I could try and get through the door. But the code didn't work. I was gonna break in using my brand new kopek, but I realized it was stuck in the sheet. The assassin was kind enough to open it for me, but as he handed it back to me, I noticed there was something written on the back of my hand. I handed the new sword back to him and typed in the passcode, which worked, and after walking through the door and closing it behind me, I realized an assassin is knocking at my door and I'm scared. So I climbed out the window to try and find something to defend myself with. Luckily, there was an...
That was a pretty good transition. What? Oh, is Matt Rose he's not posting today? Because it's something. For some reason or other, he didn't post today. Well, that's fine. What was I doing? Oh, I was trying to see the back. Oh yeah, where's the strength? Here it is. Aha. Okay. Aha! So it like doubles up. Alright, that's kind of dumb. So it's like a explainer type. Explore, explainer type. And then... I think that's it. Oh no, I don't think I have to do that. Oh no, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I actually don't have to even do this. It's just explainer type. Yeah. Yeah, the values for a radio is still one value. Regardless. It's not an array. I did see that Jimmy Carter died. My wife told me. That's kind of a... I mean, he's 100 years old. So, too soon. But, yeah... It's kind of, you know, him dying started making me think about like all the past presidents that I know of, because yeah, he was too young. In this day and age, he was too young. Because when I first remembered what a president was, or when I first knew like who our president was, it was Bill Clinton. I'm old. Compared to you, I'm old. So Bill Clinton was the president. That's what I remember when I was a kid. And then after him was Bush Jr. And then it went Obama, and then it went Trump, Biden, Trump. So those are the presidents I knew. I was like, okay, so who was before Clinton? I think it was Bush Sr. was before Clinton. And then I was like, okay, so that's kind of as far back as I know. I know Nixon was before. Was Nixon before Bush Sr.? Or was Jimmy Carter president? Because when the hell was Jimmy Carter president? Because that got me thinking about how fucking old he must have been. Because, I mean, most of the presidents... I mean, Biden is almost gone. You know what I mean? He almost died before Jimmy Carter. He's so old. So it's crazy. It really matters how old the president is, you know? But, yeah. So I thought that was interesting. He was... Hey, WordPress game dev sounds like a nightmare. Most enough to give me the click. Watching the training video the other day about Bush Sr. and the CIA and shit. Ooh. Hey, first of all, welcome, Lockie. Yeah, thanks for jumping in. This is a very random and interesting way to build a video game by building a video game engine in WordPress, so I hope it's interesting enough. Graham, 82, she ain't fit to drive to Rouse, let her run the country. No, I agree with you. Yeah, I think you're so out of touch with the modern day, whether it's politics or pop culture or, you know, what the modern person requires to be happy and survive and whatever, that it's insane to let people over the age of 80 or even over the age of 70 run the country for everybody. You know what I mean? It's crazy. That's why, like, Macron, Trudeau, all these young presidents around us keep popping up. Because people, or fucking Zelensky, you know? They're just... It's obvious why people are doing this. But, you know, America's behind the times and they're stupid. We just keep picking old people because fucking old people are the only ones voting. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Young people run. You know, we have young people running for president. It's just nobody's voting for them. Or not enough people, not nobody. But yeah, maybe Locke, maybe you know who when he was. Okay, so Indy says 39th president. That does nothing for me. I need to know who was he preceded by. Maybe Locke knows. I need to know, when did Jimmy Carter become president? Like, who did he become president after or before? Because if it's like Ford or somebody like that, I still don't know the ordering of that. Ford, Hoover, Roosevelt, fucking all those dudes. Ford? He came after Ford? So then he must have been before Nixon? Was Nixon after him? Did it go Carter, Nixon? Or was Nixon before Ford? No, because Nixon... I thought Nixon was 80s. Me brain. See, this is what happens, you know? You go to school, you learn a bunch of shit, and then who cares? Oh, okay, so it was Nixon, Ford, Carter, Bush Sr.? Bush Sr. came after Carter? Oh, wait, no, we had Reagan in there. Ford, Carter, Reagan. Oh, wow. Ford. Oh, shit. So Carter was way back then. She's the last one. Carter, Reagan, Bush Sr., Clinton, Bush Jr. No, it's more fun just guessing than actually looking it up. Alright, so we got map. And then this one will be menu. Yeah, way more fun. Gives us a good exercise with the brains. Explainer type. And then we'll do a what was this one? Map. HTML. Do da do da do. We love HTML. You know what is also fun? JSX. Because it's just HTML and React. That's always fun too. Menu. There we go. Something like that. See if that works. Happy New Year's Eve tomorrow. Oh, it's the day for me. Sorry, Duck Dude. We already hit it. Almonds are like grapes and bananas. You're a damn grape and banana. I agree. All right. Map or menu. So reading signs is going to be in the map. Let's see if that saves. And it did not. You know what else did not save? Is all the goddamn... Ah, god damn it. I didn't add explainer to the saving shit. Ho-ho! You're welcome, Dak Dude. Dak Dude just got gifted. Merry late Christmas, Dak Dude. No ads for you. Thanks, Indy. Now you got all the good emotes. Oh, it's New Year's gift. New Year's Eve gift. For the man living in the past. So, where's the save function? Here it is. Save. Right here. No, that's the enemy save. Here it is. I did not add... I mean, I'm seriously contemplating just removing this whole custom post type shit. Because I'm just putting an omit. So like false in array. Instead I'll just do like post, and we'll do post page. You know what I mean? I mean, that, now I never have to add another post type to it. Cadillac converter. Extra badge next to your name? Oh, sweet. Could you... Oh yeah, look at that. You get a little gift. You're in a... Getting the coolest badges, my friend. Gamified. I'll show us again. Shit. I don't even remember. Oh, I think this was 2300. But I don't remember this one. Oh. 44? And I did like 40 by 400. And map. Save. Work. It worked. Alright. So now that we have that saved. Okay, so let's go back to the... I don't think I'll need anything else. Right here. Explainer type. And... if if type equals explainer type, it's basically it, then we'll add the explainer. Otherwise we won't. Did you know that when you explode you actually die? It depends on your explanation of explore. Cop the book on Audible. Looking forward to diving into it tomorrow on my walk. Have a good show. Oh, hell yeah, Locke. Appreciate it, my friend. Yeah, and you got book 1 and 2 on audio, so you can continue your journey when you're done. Thanks so much. Hope you subscribe so we can talk again soon. And Happy New Year. How much channel points for you to do gaming stream with the game of my choice? Let's add some. Let's add that. Twish. Creator dashboard. Let's do stream. No, not stream manager. We want to do viewer rewards. Channel points. Manage. Let's add a new custom reward. Make me game. I'll play a game of your choice on stream until I don't want to anymore. There we go. That's ambiguous enough. And I'll do it for, I don't know. I'll do it for 15,000. How about that? Is that fair? And we'll make it a dark blue. Enter text. I do. And we'll make sure this is only once per stream. Per stream, 1. Per user per stream, 1. Time between redemptions, up to 7 days. 7 days. No. We'll do it 2 days. Create. Alright, there you go. Make me game. It's one of the smaller tiers, you know. It's cheaper than getting web dev advice. And you could make me end my stream for 100,000. Saving up now. Nice. I have 45,000 over on my other account, so I'm getting pretty close to ending my own stream if I want to. Whoa. You know, my favorite thing is C Films. Remember him? He's the guy making a PHP Seattle-based directory for stuff. He messages me every time he comes online, and he says, "Hey, I'm streaming. Come watch." I feel bad because I'm always like not able to, and I get his notification when he starts streaming, so he doesn't have to message me, but it's one of those things. Add one where you have to stop what you're doing when you have to do 20 jump. No. Indy, I am such a finely tuned specimen of muscle that I just can't even do a jumping jack. You know what I mean? It's so beneath me as far as calisthenics is concerned. I have to literally do backflips while clapping 20 times. That's the only thing that does it for me these days. Yeah. If it's not a no finger push-up, I don't even try it. I use my nose. just flare my nostrils and do a little nostril push-up. ridiculous. I'm offended that you would even ask me to do that. I also have no floor space in my office, so I couldn't do it if I wanted to. Wait, what? Sounds like I'm dead. 19 jumping jacks. Well, 19. Yeah, I mean, I do 19. 20 is asking too much. Why do you want to see me do jumping jacks? I promise you, there's flat as a pancake, man. There's nothing to look at under here. Not entertaining whatsoever. You get to see my ears flop, I guess. My plugs. That would be fun. Well, we have this all good to go. We have this all started. We have our new meta box. And we have a place to put things. This is just going to be a closing div. And we can just put this. 4 flop ears 10 times. Flop, flop, flop. Yeah, maybe I'll do that one. And that's the post content. Let's make sure we redo a WP cases post. Perfecto. Let's see if that worked. So this is a map one. Let's look for the... oh, I should explore explainer. New. Oh, just explainer. My bad. Explainer. There it is. All right. And we have our thingy doodad. Cool. It twerked. So now all we have to do is basically style it. Call it the Dumbo. It's good exercise. We'll style it. We'll have to come up with a way of triggering it, because I have my trigger. Oh, I haven't even added the trigger yet, actually. That's just the text that shows up. So I need to add the trigger as well. Which, if the type equals type, then I'll add the trigger. Post meta. Cool. That twerked. Alright, everybody. I think that's about it for tonight. It has been great coming back and seeing you guys. I really appreciate you all hanging out. But I think we need to do our final raid of 2024. That is the only thing I can think to do at this point. Because we need to say hi to somebody before the year is over. Is Quarterinian Behop. We also have Tinkerer Red. Yeah, I don't know about this Quarterinian Behop guy. I don't know. I'm not like super into his vibe. I feel like he doesn't give a shit about, you know, the people that are in his stream. He kind of just like responds and then keeps talking shit about his own stuff. I don't know. I get vibes about streamers. Like the August 16th guy is a massive dick. He's so mean. When I heard him interacting with like the guy that was helping him build his game and stuff, I was just like, Jesus. I mean, maybe it was his friend, so I'm sure it was all in good fun. But it really, I don't know, it irked me. And then the CA2 software guy is just so boring, and he, you know, I don't mind that he can't speak English really well or anything like that, but he is on every day, all day. It's crazy. I see him come on at like every day so early, and he's already on for 4.5 hours right now. I'm just like ragging on everybody, but yeah, the Tinkerer Red guy, I liked what he was doing at first, but now I can't tell what the hell he's doing at all. Yeah, let's find a new one, because I just don't have a good feeling about these dudes for some reason today. Tinkerer Red's okay, but I kind of, I'm not like into what he's doing. I think I liked it the first stream I saw him, and then I tried to go on and see him again. Why are you not live under any category? Oh, yeah, that happens. My for some reason my restream doesn't put me under any category. It's probably why I haven't been getting many people jumping on. Was it game develop? Here we go. There we go. Now I'm on. Now people can find me. Yeah, that's right. Software game development. Hey, everybody, come find me. Yeah, right when I'm about to raid somebody. Smaller size. What the hell? Is this the only people here? Same category. Small. Alright, deck dude. I'll see you around, my friend. What am I doing here? Third person shooter. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Third person shooter project. Trying out. Okay, good. Stay for the raid so we have the numbers. Alternate gravity zone method. No voice. Game depth. No, that's not English. Oh god, what did I do? No, thank you. What's this guy? Back to building mumble assist. No, I want a game. I want to see someone build a game. Peaceful programmer? Is he building a game? Yeah, Schmelly Orc. I like to raid him. He's really nice. Peaceful programmer. What's going on? Yeah, what the hell's mumble? Mumble assist. I want a game. Find somebody actually building a game for once. Playing a game. Making gossip button OBS. Pokemon style Tamagotchi. Hate that. Slim Pickens. He's making a Minecraft mod work? Is that what Mumble is? What about this one? Coding Rocket League in Minecraft? Wait, what? What happened? Flimsy Nimsy? Oh, that's the one I was just looking at. Yeah, I like it. Alright, Flimsy Nimsy. You're getting the full force of an Orbem raid. But yeah, dudes. I appreciate your time, as always. I will catch you in the new year. Happy New Year, everybody. Stay tuned for some more whatever the hell we're going to do next year. We'll have a new business, and we'll have a product. You can buy my products on Amazon and promote them with merch. Alright, see you dudes. Bye!
So instead of using acceleration for boost, we're using force now.